Sometimes when a tooth is broken off due to a fracture or decay, there's simply not enough tooth remaining to place a crown. Fortunately, there is a way to replace the missing portion and save the tooth. By bonding one of the new plastic resin filling materials and building the tooth back up prior to preparing it for a crown. The first step in placing a bonded buildup is making sure the tooth is free of decay. A mild etching solution is placed to prepare the tooth for bonding, and then the resin filling material layer upon layer and hardened with a high-intensity light. Building a tooth up prior to a crown strengthens the tooth, provides better retention for the crown that's placed over it, and may reduce sensitivity by providing insulation for the sensitive inner pulp. A core buildup is a necessary and important step before crowning for teeth that have been significantly damaged due to decay or fractures.